Hello dears, now we start our next lecture. In this lecture we will discuss about the steering system. So, any mode of transportation used by people must have some means of control. For the automobile, two primary control systems are at the driver's disposal. First one is the steering system and second one is the braking system. Means with the help of these two systems we can control a vehicle. So in this topic we will discuss only about the steering system, and we know that the steering is used to control or to turn a vehicle in a particular direction. So, purpose of steering system. The steering system allow the driver to guide the car along the road and turn left or right as desired. The system includes the following: the steering wheel, which the driver controls; the steering gear, which changes the rotary motion of the wheel into straight line motion; the steering linkage, which transmits the steering gear movement to the front wheels. The steering system configuration depends on vehicle design. The drive, train and suspension system used, whether it is a passenger car or a commercial vehicle. At present, the rack and pinion type and the recirculating bolt types are in use. Means in case of the steering, we convert the rotatory motion into the linear motion. Most steering systems were manual until a few years back. Then power steering became popular. It is now installed on almost all costly cars, and nowadays we are using power steering. So, functions of a steering system. The first function is, the primary function of the steering system is to achieve angular motion of the front wheels to negotiate a turn. Second is to provide directional stability of the vehicle when going straight ahead. Next is to facilitate straight ahead recovery after completing a turn, to minimize wear and tear of tires, to absorb a major part of the road shocks, thereby preventing them to get transmitted to the hands of the driver, to provide perfect rolling motion of the road wheels at all times. These are the some functions of a steering system. So our next topic is requirements of a good steering system. It should be very accurate, easy to handle, provide directional stability, multiply the turning effort applied on the steering wheel by the driver, irreversible to a certain degree, so that the shocks of the road surface encountered by the wheels are not transmitted to the driver's hand. This is the general arrangement of a steering system in a car or in a automobile system. With the help of steering wheel, the driver apply effort in rotatory way. After that, this rotatory motion is converted into linear motion with the help of rack and pinion, and we can turn the vehicle in a particular direction, either in right side or in left side. Now the main parts of a steering system. First one is the steering wheel, second one is the steering column, third is steering shaft, fourth is steering gearbox, फिफ्थ इज स्टीयरिंग ड्रॉप आर्म, या जिसको हम पिटमैन आर्म भी बोल सकते हैं, पुल एंड पुश रोड, नकल आर्म, टाई रोड. These are the some components. Now we use two types of the steering geometry. First one is the Ackermann steering and Davis steering mechanism. The Davis steering mechanism is occurs at the front side of the axle, and Ackermann is occurs at the rear side of the axle. So we